morning and happy Monday. I just finished a music lesson with my music teacher, and we did a face-to-face or like an in-person session. We didn't do it on Zoom this time, and I think we're gonna start doing it this week from now on, because now COVID is slowly disappearing. Since the sun is down, I thought about doing like a garden update with some lavenders blooming up some stalks, and some sunflower seeds, and I think this might be dill, and our flowers are looking beautiful, and sweet peppers, no wait, this is hot peppers, and broccoli's doing pretty well. Some cucumbers are blooming up some flowers, and some zucchini's doing well too. So yeah, lettuce is doing very well. Multi-grain lettuce is doing well. Some green onions and some hot peppers. Nothing yet on strawberries because I have to wait until next year, but asparagus is doing pretty well, and same thing goes with garlic. Catnip's doing well. Oregano, see some progress. Some parsley, a little bit of stalk. Can't remember what this one is. And sweet basil is doing pretty well. So I just made some coffee right before my music teacher came in. So as I was getting ready to heat up some of my lunch, and this is what my mom said, and I thought that was pretty funny because I can't have anything with gluten, dairy, and eggs, and they made an alternative for it. So for dinner we had this New Orleans style bayou style crispy tilapia, which the tilapia was so delicious. So to finish the night off, Kaylin and my mom and I decided to watch Glee, and then we went to bed. So later, gators.